Hi, I'm Devin Gall, one of your True Blue Power field service engineers, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to update our latest Gen 5 lithium-ion batteries with the most current version of software. First, you'll want to go ahead and grab an empty USB drive. Then you'll want to go to our website, truebluepowerusa.com. Select the Gen 5 battery that you have under Products, whether it's the TB20, 30, 40, or 60. Down at the bottom of the page, there's a software update section. Select that, and then click the Get Software link. You'll need to log in using your account information. If you need assistance with this, please give us a call and we can help you out. Once you log in, you'll download the zip file that's provided. Once downloaded, you'll take the file, update.muf, and go ahead and put it on the root directory of your USB drive. And you're ready to perform the update. First, you're going to need to remove the USB port cover. And once that's removed, you can take your USB drive with the update.muf file on it and go ahead and put that in. You can press this button here for about 3 seconds. Once it starts to flash, you can let it go, and you'll get a yellow light that indicates that the battery is in the update process. Timing varies a little. This one was actually pretty quick. Yours might take a little longer, but as long as you get the green light at the end, the update has been successful. If for some reason you get anything else, a red light, or it gets stuck in a yellow, feel free to go ahead and give us a call and we can walk you through the next steps. Once this is done, we can remove the USB drive and put the dust cover back on. And once that's back on, the update is complete and you'll have the latest version of software.